good evening slash good morning slash good lunchtime. I don't know what time it is for y'all. Um, but good existence. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. If not, I hope maybe watching this will make it better. I don't know. It might not. I hope it doesn't make it worse. That would make me very unhappy. I don't know. I feel like I would like feel that karma somehow. Probably in the YouTube comments, to be real. But welcome to Drawing Cloister. I still haven't figured out how to sync audio and video correctly, because okay, so my video editing software, I'm using a free program, VSDC video editor. It's working fantastic for me. It's got all the capabilities I need to do these videos, but it is really bad at playback. Usually, once or twice I've tried watching the videos like as I'm doing this audio here, and by the time the audio timing should be done, it's like maybe like a fourth of the way through the video, and that just is not working well for me. It's not fantastic. So when I figure out how to do it correctly, I'll because if I left myself enough time in the day that I could, speed up the video and then render it and then just watch it, then I could watch it at real time. But I don't know, I don't have a good way to. I've been speeding everything up to 5 times, I believe. Yeah, 500%, which is I don't know, I messed around with a couple different speeds, and to me that was where I could still like see all the details, but it wasn't like so slow that it was like losing my attention. That makes sense. I don't know. Let me know if that's a good speed for y'all. Cause I mean, honestly, I probably could do a different speed, and like I could still watch it and it would be okay, but I tried to do something that seemed like comfortable for everyone. I don't know. So anyway, yeah, so things aren't synced up. This drawing here, I actually did the sketch and like a few lines into the line art there in the lobby of a restaurant waiting to get seated. Then the rest I've done back here at my Airbnb. I'll be lucky to get this posted before midnight, but hopefully I can. I don't always get the videos posted on the day that I do them, but I've pretty consistently been drawing one a day, which is the challenge I gave myself setting out on this artistic journey here. A lot of it really is just that I wanted to draw all the Pokemon. I did a thing a while back on an airplane ride to somewhere. I have no idea where it was. I guess I could look it up if I wanted to, because I posted it somewhere. But I was on an airplane ride and I didn't have internet access, and I was bored, and I think my phone might have died, and it was one of those like old airplanes that doesn't have anything equipped in it. So I just had like a couple pieces of paper, and I decided a great way to entertain myself would be to try to just draw the original 151 Pokemon from memory. Some of those turned out amazing, some of those turned out the worst disaster I've ever seen. But there were a couple that like really surprised me. Like my Mr. Mime, for whatever reason, was like spot on. I have no idea why. Like, it's not like I've sat and like studied Mr. Mime before, but I was just like, I feel like he's got like some like dots on his hand or something. Then like I looked it up later, I compared them all. It's like, oh my gosh, like that's exactly what he looks like. So, but then there were things like, I think I just completely forgot to do pincer. Like, I counted and it was like, oh, I got 151, that's all of them. And then, like, no, it's not. I counted very incorrectly, because I'm missing exactly one. I'm pretty sure it was pincer. I know, this was a while ago. But so I did that, and that got me kind of like in a Pokemon drawing mood, and then I don't know, with the badges, I have to set all of these like arbitrary limitations for myself, because if I don't, then I don't know, I won't I have to stop somewhere, you know? Like I don't have enough time in the day to draw. Sorry, I'm probably talking too loud. I don't have enough time in the day to draw. Sorry, not too loud for you guys, too loud for the people in the Airbnb I'm sharing here. Uh so what was I saying? Shoot. Um Limits, that's right. So if I don't set some sort of boundary for myself and where I stop drawing badges, you know, like, well, the things I have to set a limit. I can't literally draw everything I want to, because if I did, I would have like every Fire Emblem character, and that's like everyone, you know. Um, so I know I tried it one time. I tried because My Little Pony conventions were big for a bit. I'm a bit of a brony. It's cool. It's, or no, am I a Pegasister? I think it's dumb that there are gendered terms for that. But anyway, um, so with My Little Pony, I'm like, it's one show. I can do all the characters, and then I won't let anyone down. Everyone will be looking for that one thing, and I'll have them all. So I went through the Wikipedia and I looked up every character that had been given a name to that point. I think it was episode 102 at that point. It was the one with the yak. Oh, what is his name? Shoot, it's been a long time. But anyway, so all I can think of is Yakety Sax, and I know that's not right. That's that annoying song that's gonna be stuck in my head forever now. Shoot. Okay, but anyway, so I tried it with My Little Pony, and I drew all like 200 ponies that were there to that point, and it was cool for like a couple weeks, and then there were more, and then the seasons after that, they just kept adding more characters instead of expanding on the ones they already had. So that was a bit of a mess, but I know I set all these limits for myself on, or I guess just like my physical constraints and my mortal flesh here sets these limits on how many characters I can have, but I'm really excited about the prospect of actually having all the Pokemon, just because it's, I was a Pokemon kid. I grew up with it. I played Pokemon Yellow, and I played Stadium, and I loved them all, and I love that, there are so many different kinds of Pokemon, and they all have these like intricate little backstories, and I really enjoy like reading through all the Pokedex entries and everything with it, and I love that every person has like a favorite Pokemon, like every Pokemon is someone's favorite, and that's so freaking cool to me. So I don't know, one of these days I'll tackle the rest of my to-do list, but for right now I'm just really excited to have a big collection that I'm actually like completing. So I don't know if there was like a point to my rant, and I'm sure it started somewhere, but so whoever you are out there that Cloyster is your favorite Pokemon, I hope you liked this drawing, and I hope everyone else likes this drawing too, and my dumb rant that went with it. I think that is the time, so see you later. Have a good one. Bye.